on each one here, and also the last one here. Now I use this motor vehicle tire to guard the heaps to prevent the chicken from scattering the heaps and removing the planted yam, since dry season around the month of November, December that it was planted. That is why the motor vehicle tire still remain there. After the yam had sprouted and then came out and climbed, it was not really easy to remove the motor vehicle tire out of the position. So I left it there until finally when we will harvest the yams before we remove them. So we have the yams climbing up here. Uh, we made a very good staking for them. You could see them climbing up high on the dry trees. Now please, you may want to say something to me in chat. I could respond to that. If you are hearing me, please, can you say so in chat? Let me be aware of the situation at your end. So we have the yams. You can see it. These ones are flourishing. And this particular yam, if you check the channel, these are the yams planted during the dry season. The 3 yams planted in heaps here that are having a motor vehicle tire around them were the ones planted during the dry season, and they were the first to sprout, and then they were the one doing better than the others planted in sacks. Those planted in sacks were planted a little few weeks into the rainy season, but these ones planted in dry season, they have climbed up very well and doing fine, better than others. And that is essence. Planting yam in dry season is the best if you can actually nurture it and make it sprout. Then also in this garden, we have another beautiful plant here. We can see it. Plantain trees standing tall here. We have plantain trees. Can you see them? Standing tall. So the plantain have been planted for like 2 years now, and it has produced 2 times. Now we have 3 trees standing up again, expecting them to produce anytime soon. They are going to produce anytime soon. We are going to harvest plantain bunch from them very soon. This is the last one of the yams planted in Heaps. The dry season affected it after it has sprouted out, and it was almost dying, but it has survived actually. We can see it here, although not flourishing as those other ones, but they are doing fine. Please do give us a thumbs up, give us a like in this video. I have a papaya tree here, a young pawpaw tree that I'm going to transplant very soon. I'm going to remove it from where it grows out here, close to the fence. I'm going to transplant it somewhere better on this garden. We used to have a papaya, a number of them. There is one here that has produced fruits, as you can see. We're going to here very soon. Then recently I made a video that I'm going to release soon regarding pineapple, harvesting pineapple in my garden. So we harvested them and we replanted the shoots on top of those fruits. So we have some of them here, right here, that we just planted not quite long. We see another one here close to that place where the chicken is pecking. All right. All right. So if you want to plant a pineapple, if you go to the store where the fruit store where they are selling pineapple, after buying, you ask for the top, the shoot on top of the pineapple like this. So you collect it and then bury the base into the soil, like a 5 centimeter, 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches into the soil like this. Cover the base very well, and then from there it will begin to grow up to produce another fruit in months, like 6 months or more. It will produce pineapple fruit for you. So right here we have one of the papaya trees. This is a close shot of it.